Some people will say that a doorway without a door is just a hole. Let's fix that problem. G'day guys, welcome back to MG Rebuild. And today, like the intro said, excuse me, I'm going to be fitting the doors into the actual body tub. Now, going back many episodes ago, I had a lot of trouble with the right hand side door, getting it to align up and so forth. So it's going to be interesting when I put it back in now, whether that alignment is still working for me. So let's just give it a try and see how it goes. Okay, what we'll do start off with, we'll just mount the hinges into the door, into the body tub, just loosely, because there's going to be a lot of adjustments needed. Now, as you can see, I've already painted the heads of the screws when I was painting the car, so just to make it look all pretty. Now these screws are a lot longer than they need to be, and ideally I would shorten them, but I haven't. We'll see how it all pans out. Okay, now test it out. Chances are it lines up. You buggered. Got a little bit of a spring there, which I think was there before from memory. But pretty happy with that. So on to the other side. I still got to put the door check in. I've just got to remember which way it goes, whether it goes that way or that way. So we'll do him afterwards, because yeah, it could be done while it's in the car, so that's fine. Driver's side door went pretty well. It's got a little bit of spring there, and look, it's going to have a wear pattern. Oh, can you just push that door closed, just gently. Yeah, keep pushing, push, all the way. Is it all the way?
Yeah.
Look, there's still a little bit of adjustment there I think I need, but at the moment it will do for now. So anyway, time for the left-hand side, or as Australians call it, the passenger side. Okay, this one's going to need a little bit of adjusting. It's touching the bottom hinge, making it springy. So I'll have to see if I can tighten him up a bit. Feels bigger. Yeah. Okay, so look, it is gonna need some more adjustment on that, but basically the doors are on. Still gotta do the little door check. Piece that goes in there, and it's a little bit springy still. but all in all, it's in. So as you can see, this is the right hand side door. Closes up fairly nicely down there. It's got a nice gap down there. Everything kind of seems to be lined up. But as you can see, it's got a little bit of spring there. Not a bad thing, I suppose. The other side gap is a little bit tighter. Back there, could possibly come forward a fraction, if anything. Doors closed. Oops, sorry. And it's looking reasonable there as well. Got a little bit more adjustment if I need to. But once again, just got a little bit of spring. You can see it's just moving slightly back there. Something to work on. Okay, that's all for today's video. As you can see, I've got the radiator back. It's all been freshly recored. Just got a couple of paint touches up to do. But listen to this. Sounds like it's got a nut or something loose. Well, shouldn't be any nuts in them at all. In the bottom tank. So I'm going to try and see if I can get that out. Otherwise it goes back and get them to do it. So anyway, if you like what you've been watching today and any of my other videos, please subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate that. And of course, keep those comments rolling in. It's always good to get tips from more experienced MG owners, and definitely far more experienced mechanics than what I am. So until next time, I will see you later.